Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. Today, let's talk about what may be the U.S.'s first drone-linked aircraft crash. If this is your first time to the channel and you enjoy photography, drones, technology, and other related things, then start off by hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Let's talk about an incident that happened last week. On Wednesday, February the 14th, 2018, a helicopter crashed in South Carolina. The student pilot and instructor on board are claiming a drone is what caused the crash. Be sure to watch this video to the end and hear the details that I have, and then leave me a comment down below. I want to know what your thoughts are on this. While practicing low altitude hovering, the student pilot turned the helicopter around. When he did, a small white drone, which appeared to be a DJI Phantom, was spotted in front of the helicopter. At that point, the instructor took over the controls and decided that he would try to avoid a collision with the drone. But listen what happened. The instructor maneuvered the helicopter in a way that the tail of the helicopter struck a tree or brush, and the helicopter came down. Thankfully, neither the student pilot or instructor were injured in this crash. In fact, the report that I read said the damage was contained to the tail portion of the helicopter. The National Transportation Safety Board announced on Friday that they are opening an investigation into this crash. I am an advocate for drone safety and always giving the right-of-way to manned aircraft. But what do you think about this being labeled as a drone-linked aircraft crash? While I understand that drone operators are not to interfere with any manned aircraft, if this helicopter was hovering, do you think there would have been a crash at all if the instructor had not taken the controls and tried to maneuver away from this? Without all of the details, I have some mixed feelings, and I'm sure you do too. So I'd like to hear your thoughts down in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless. I think that's a wrap.